Hello and welcome to the video tutorials by Be Smart Education. In this series, we will guide you through various aspects of English grammar to help you improve your language skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome to our video series on English grammar. Today we're going to dive into past participles. We'll explore how to form them for both regular and irregular verbs. Understanding past participles is essential, as they are used in various tenses and grammatical structures. Let's get started.
A past participle is a verb form that is used in perfect tenses and the passive voice. It is crucial for constructing sentences like, I have finished my homework, or the cake was baked by my mom. For example, in have finished and was baked, finished and baked are past participles.
Regular verbs form their past participles by adding ed to the base form. This is a straightforward rule. For example, walk becomes walked, talk becomes talked, and play becomes played. It's simple, just add ed.
Let's talk about how to pronounce the ed endings for regular verbs. There are three ways: T sound, D sound, and ed sound. For example, walked is pronounced walked, played is pronounced played, and wanted is pronounced wanted. The pronunciation depends on the final sound of the base verb.
Let's expand on the pronunciation of ed endings. Here are three lists of words based on their pronunciation. Category 1, the T sound. Examples, walked, danced, laughed. Category 2, the D sound. Examples, played, cleaned, lived. Category 3, the id sound. Examples, wanted, needed, started.
Irregular verbs, on the other hand, don't follow a set pattern and must be memorized. Here are some common examples. Eat becomes eaten, go becomes gone, see becomes seen, and write becomes written. It's important to practice these to get comfortable with their irregular forms.
Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct past participle. She has blank, walk, to school. The answer is walked. They have blank, walk, go, to the market. The answer is gone.
Understanding past participles is essential because they are used in various tenses and grammatical structures. They are key to forming the present perfect tense, as in, I have eaten. They are also used in the past perfect tense, such as she had finished. Additionally, past participles are crucial in passive voice constructions, like the cake was baked by my mom. Mastering past participles helps you construct more complex and accurate sentences.
Great job, everyone. Stay tuned for our next video on the present perfect tense, where we'll use these past participles. Happy learning!
Thank you for watching this video tutorial by Be Smart Education. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, mastering English grammar is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Join our Facebook page, Be Smart Education, for more resources and community support. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.